Hey, what's up, guys? It's Teacher with a Kid here, back again with another video. Today we're going to be talking about writing the slope-intercept form of the equation of each line. If you were in class, the days we started talking about when we started introducing slope and things of that nature, we introduced standard form. So if you look at number one here, you notice that it is in standard form, and at times I taught you how to manipulate the equation so that it can be in standard form. But in this case, we're going to manipulate the equation so that it can be in slope-intercept form, which is y equals mx plus b. We already know the different parts of this slope-intercept form, so we're going to jump right into it and look at number one. So number one, it has 3x minus 2y equals negative 16. So what I want to do is, I notice here, my 3x, that means my slope is equal to 3. I know I need to manipulate this equation so that I can get it on the other side of the equal sign. And the way you would do that is by you will complete the inverse of addition, which is subtraction, and we'll talk about those different types of properties when you actually learn how to solve equations. But anyway, or you probably already know how to solve it. So what we're going to do is we're going to subtract negative 3x on both sides of this equation. We know that 3x minus 3x is a zero pair, so that's going to cancel out. And what we're going to have left next is negative 2y is equal to negative 16 minus 3x. Alright, so here you know that negative 2y equals negative 16 minus 3x. You know that you cannot subtract 3x from a negative 16 simply because they are not like terms. So since they are not like terms, what we need to do is we need to move on to the next step, and that is here. If you notice that that's a negative 2, well, in the original slope-intercept form, the y is simply by itself, meaning it has a coefficient of 1. So I don't need any coefficient greater than 1. So I'm going to divide the entire equation by a negative 2. Okay. So once I do that, I'm going to have negative 2 divided on all parts of the equation. So this is going to cancel out, and it's going to give me y equals negative 16 divided by negative 2 is going to give me a positive 8. Negative 3x divided by negative 2 is going to give me positive 3 over 2. Well, if you look at this equation, you can notice that it's slightly different from y equals mx plus b. Well, that is because the y here, the y-intercept is coming before the slope, so all you have to do is just simply move that around. And you're going to get y equals 3/2 x plus 8. So the final answer is y equals 3/2 x plus 8. Alright, so I hope you guys, I hope this video helped you guys. Sorry for the noise in the background, because as you know, this is Teacher with a Kid. And if you have any questions, please feel free to answer in the comment box, or if you're in my class, just hit me up on Google Classroom. Have a great day.